Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by gathering the essentials. Put all audio files into one folder and label them with client names and timestamps. Next, pick an AI transcription engine, compare accuracy, language models, turnaround time, and cost per minute. Choose the one that fits your margin. Once done, create a simple style guide. Speaker labels, punctuation rules, and verbatim versus clean read preferences. Make sure to set file naming conventions now so you avoid rework later and speed up batch processing. You then upload batches to the AI, starting with 10-50-minute chunks to isolate problems and keep processing stable. Configure model settings. Enable speaker diarization if multiple voices, set confidence thresholds to flag low confidence segments, and apply noise reduction if available. Once the AI finishes, export an editable format like docx or SRT with timestamps. This lets you correct quickly. After that, scan for common errors, proper nouns and acronyms, and mark segments needing manual review before finalizing. You finish by doing a targeted manual pass. Play flagged low-confidence snippets at 1, 25x1, 5x speed, correct speaker breaks, and fix punctuation to match the style guide. Then format the document to client specifications, verbatim or cleaned, insert timestamps, and add header details. Export final deliverables and upload them to the client portal or email, attach the invoice, and state a revision window. If audio yields garbled text, try boosting clarity with a denoise tool.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.